How to delete your Snapchat account permanently. Want to delete your Snapchat account for good? Here's how to permanently remove your account. If you can't delete your account directly in the app, you can open a web browser and go to accounts.snapchat.com. From there, you can delete your account. Now, first log into your account. Once you are logged in, go to your profile at the top left corner. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Here under your My Account, scroll down until you see Delete Account. Once you see Delete Account, tap on Delete Account and tap on Continue. Here you need to enter your password in order to delete your account. Enter it. Okay, once you enter your password, tap on Continue. You will get the email of account deletion. It says in 30 days your account will be deleted. Now if you want to delete your account permanently, make sure you don't activate your account for 30 days. After 30 days, your account and all data will be permanently deleted. Just remember, logging back in during this time will reactivate your account. So make sure you don't log into your account if you want to delete it permanently. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and comment below with what you want to learn next. Thank you for watching.